Hi, and welcome to our 100th test and measurement video. In this benchmark piece, we'll look at an unimposing button on the front panel of the Tektronix MD03000 oscilloscope. It is labeled Test, and it is located at the upper right corner of the Wave Inspector section. Most prominent in Wave Inspector are two large concentric knobs in the center of that section. The inner knob zooms in to show details of the displayed waveform, and when the magnifying glass icon is pressed, the outer knob permits the user to pan through the displayed waveform. Today, we'll press the test button and see what is revealed. This button activates advanced or application-specific testing features. When multipurpose knob A is turned with the AFG sine wave displayed, immediately the horizontal test menu comes up at the bottom of the screen. Multipurpose knob A selects limit and mask testing, video picture, power analysis, act on event, or none. When multipurpose knob A is turned, each of these categories brings up a relevant horizontal menu. The limit and mask test permits the user to choose Setup Mask, Select Mask Limit Test, Create Limit Mask, Setup Test, Run Test, and Show Results. The purpose of limit and mask testing is to monitor an active signal against a mask, which the user creates. The results show whether the input signal is within the user-defined vertical and horizontal bounds of the mask. This is very useful in production line work. You can create your own mask or recall a mask from a file, either internal or in a thumb drive. Creating a mask involves connecting the oscilloscope probe to the mask source. Video picture permits the user to display a video picture, which can be a test pattern from a video generator or an actual video picture from a TV, VCR, or DVD. Power analysis permits the user to acquire, measure, and analyze power signals. First, use multipurpose knob A to select Power Analysis and then press Analysis. The vertical menu at the right shows options. Power quality includes volts RMS, volts crest factor, frequency, current RMS, current crest factor, true power, apparent power, reactive power, power factor, and phase angle. Current, power measurements, switching loss, and harmonics are not shown because channel 2 is not set up to measure current. Ripple is minimal in this relatively pure signal from the AFG. Thanks for watching. New videos are added periodically, so check back frequently.